Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today is September 12th. Yesterday was Monday, and yeah, based off we did the market review on Sunday. That was awesome. We're gonna go ahead and go over the markets real quick and see how we're looking. So, as y'all remember, DXY, we are anticipating the bullish move personally off that rejection there. If y'all remember, I did write off the pattern that I expected was gonna happen, which is kind of playing out as we thought. So came down here, um, go ahead, took the lows, and then hit that fair value gap, both of them, and then shot up, and then we come back into it. So now we are testing that area under the true week, under the true month, under the true day open. It is beautiful. There is a CSD here, potentially that we can reject off of, right? So you do want to keep in mind this here. And this is a really small inversion fair value gap, but we'll see how price reacts. I'd like to see that rejection here. That's on the 4 hour here. But yeah, overall, this is sloppy lows to me. This all equal relative lows. So we're probably gonna take this out before we see that move higher, is what I am expecting out of the current, or potentially seeing out of the market here. So from here, and then I'd like to see it go for CPI. For CPI news, I'll go ahead and put the buy here, so I remember, right? Boom, boom. Now I'm gonna show you guys some of my executions that I took this week as well. Well, yesterday and today. So EU, we marked this up, guys, and man, it's still playing out to the T. I'm waiting on this. This is gonna be my watch. Watching this really heavy, especially with the GPP news coming in tonight. And then we have the CPI news coming in tomorrow. We're above the true week, true day, and the true month. I love that. I'm looking for these sells 100%. I want to see that sweep here. We go into this hourly fair value gap. This is a full 4 hour gap. So 50% of that's going to be on the money. You saw here, we shot up into it, but we didn't quite get there. I personally did take an execution for these buys on Monday morning. It was perfect. Q2, Q3. I entered here for US. I saw here CSD, right? Break a structure, tested it here, and then we were off. That was the first, second entry, and then we were all good. Total, I made like 2% on that. Not on that one alone. UJ actually made me my 2%. I took this buy. We have this marked up because on the daily, if you guys looked at the review on Sunday, we expected this, right? So we expected the retrace into that fair value gap here. We have the CSD gap here, and we got that exactly to the T on the 50%. We dipped right under the, this is based off the CSD, but we dipped into a discount, then we just took off. So expecting that to keep running. Actually, I'm going to be looking for re-entries on this. I would love for us to dip underneath the true day open. Test 50% of this. So low to high. Love to see this here. During some news, I want to see a really nice impulse here. Give us that move up, sweep these highs, possibly reverse bearish, possibly, but this is a for sure target. I would delete this bigger limit, but yeah, I would like to see this here for a 1 to 3. Okay. In the upcoming couple days, honestly. UCAD. This is a really nice one. When I marked it up, I believe we had our buys here. I did take a couple of L's on this. So it obviously broke through our zone here. So now we're looking for the CSD here, where it dropped and it went up, and then you have that fair value gap there. So I anticipate that we could actually pull into here. But I was looking at the seasonality of UCAD, and it takes out July's lows. So it actually makes a pretty serious drop. So these are the lows. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here's the 20-day low or 20-day high, and then the 20-day low. So I'd like to see what happens here. I'd like to see what happens with these. Putting the high on the wick. So let's see. Let's see what happens in this area. So I'm watching UCAD, but making me kind of bearish, to be honest with you. This lines up with the CSD. To be honest with you, I see this. I see this. That would be a 1 to 3. Now, of course, the entry would be better. Go based off 4 hour. Yeah. To be honest. So let's touch. I'm good. I'm gonna just keep eyes on that just in case, though. Depending on what dollar does, guys, either we go bearish or we go bullish. All depends on the dollar. Now I'm expecting it. Now I'm expecting the dollar to retrace into this fair value gap and bounce out. So I am more bullish on the dollar. So we'll see what happens. My bad. So overall, I am pretty bullish, guys. So I would really love to see the CPI buy. That's ideally what I'm looking for. What I would like to see is for us not to actually go to the 20-year low and respect these lows and respect this fair value gap and take off. Um, so yeah, this is a three drive. I would like this to be taken out personally. Over the sell. I do expect some sort of resistance here and possible resistance here, but this is more of like I feel like a swing trade. But I like this and I like the risk reward on this. You have your CSD here, right? Keep that in mind. And then NAS, absolutely fire. If you saw my Sunday markup, man, this was absolutely killer. I caught like a little retrace by, let me delete this fib. So this was a move, man. I didn't get to participate personally, but we got right into the CSD daily, the daily CSD, and man, we were off. This was a great trade. I'm gonna let that just sit there and see if we actually make it to the lows that I'm anticipating. So let's see what happens. I don't like these highs. I think they are a little bit too much. I do expect these lows to get for sure taken out though. I do expect the sell side to get taken out. And then after the sell side hit this gap here. Most definitely. I think, of course, everything is probabilities. But anyways, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope y'all have a great day. I recommend trading safe the next couple of days. We have a lot of news. So just wait for proper breaks and proper moves before you take your entries and make sure you're in the right quarters if you go based off of time. And yeah, friends, with that being said, for example, I'm gonna show you like a quick CSD here. So you see if we could keep above this second candle, dude, we barely got to it. It got very close and then bounced. This is enough for me to like take my entries to go higher because we are bullish right now. We went ahead and took these highs. Two, one, two, one, two, right? That's 5 minutes. So two candles on the 10 minute. So 10-minute candle hit like on the money. And then the body's closed right above that. I'd like to see this keep going. It took over that CSD here. I ran through that because this swept liquidity here, right? So it's gonna respect that. So what I would think right now is it would tap into that and then take us to our little, it'll probably leave a fair value gap and then take us there to our area of interest actually. Still a 1-3 trade if you want to even take that, but I wouldn't trade right now. But yeah, guys, thank you so much. You'll have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I should keep going at this and if this is something interesting to you or you're learning something. But yeah, with that being said, this is more of my personal journal. So I be going through these and kind of picking up on my higher time frame analysis because you kind of get lost in the sauce sometimes when you're thinking about the smaller time frames when you're actually trading. So this is really my primary reason for making these videos. With that being said, much love, Cheesy Nation out. Hope you guys ride to the top with me and let's get it. Let's go.